Our purpose is to accelerate a sustainable future, to bring it closer and faster.
By making clean energy easy to use, we are empowering people to have the sustainable solutions into their daily lives.
Warum teure Energie kaufen, wenn es Sonnenenergie kostenlos gibt?
With the Zendure product, makes the world better again for all the people who are living after me.
Wir sind auf das Land in die Bretagne gezogen. En casa no tenemos secadora.
Hey, ich bin Lydia. Meistens findest du mich auf dem Fahrrad. Ich liebe die.
Your energy, our future. It starts with one, then many. Inspired by Zendure. Our efforts combine. Zendure joins forces with local communities. Together, we're taking your energy, our future. Direct to communities, championing green energy and sustainable living for all. Teaming up with the Bonn community, Zendure launches Balcony Scouts. We're bringing advanced green energy directly to the community, empowering more people to experience and use clean power, accelerating our sustainable future together.
Alongside our global partners, we strive to develop cutting-edge technology to accelerate that journey, in alignment with the United Nations 2030 agenda to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all.